2-inch design is much more ergonomic, compact, and the weight of it actually makes it so it's easier to use. A 2-man job went down to a 1-man job.
The Milwaukee Expander for 2-inch, 1.5 inch, 1.25 I think this is the fastest that I've seen. It's definitely the fastest I've used.
The rotating heads of the Milwaukee tool really helps us in tight spaces. We can be assured that it'll go on solid and without leaks.
Having the multiple heads work with one tool is awesome, just because for most situations it eliminates the need to carry a second or third tool with you.